A congested weeknight noise finally nags the ceiling fan as it wobbles and squeaks, but a frugal fix can restore calm with tools already in the house. First, turn off power and inspect for loose blades and mounting screws, tightening them with a simple screwdriver and a replacement washer if needed. Next, apply a tiny dab of household lubricant to the blade pins and recheck balance using a bathroom scale or a DIY shimming method to level the motor housing. If wobble persists, place a folded business card or shim under the lower canopy to fine-tune alignment and silence the hum. With patience and basic supplies, this is a safe, affordable fix that keeps the air moving and the budget intact.